Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get a free candy canes or a present box and visit it during the Christmas update. In this update, there's a quest or event and that you can visit Christmas Island and then knock on the doors of the houses there. And all you need to do is walk up to house and knock on the door just like this. Just like this. And after knocking you will instantly receive a reward. Most of times you will get a candy canes like this, but sometimes if you are lucky you can get a Christmas present box for free. And the presents box is quite rare, so don't worry if you don't get it right away. And then next you can knock on multiple houses, so make sure to check them all to maximize your rewards. And okay, that's it. Easy, free and perfect for the Christmas event. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!